Did you know that neglecting just one tiny area of your body can lead to infections, lost mobility, and even heart risks, especially after 60? Hello, I'm Mark, and today we'll uncover 5 body parts that most seniors either clean incorrectly or ignore completely. Cleaning them daily could add years to your life or at least make life a lot more comfortable. One of these body parts, shockingly, 87% of older adults never wash the right way. Stick around, you don't want to miss these simple yet life-changing tips. Are you confident you're cleaning every area? Let us know below. It might sound dramatic, but doctors confirm that hidden bacteria in these overlooked spots can spread throughout your body, raising infection risks and aggravating chronic conditions. For seniors, weaker immunity and thinner skin make these areas even more vulnerable. A 2021 study from the National Institute on Aging indicated that older adults who improved their daily hygiene in key regions saw fewer hospital visits for skin or oral infections. Let's start with the first spot you might be ignoring right now. Do you have any idea which one is most commonly missed? Guess below. Your tongue can harbor up to 700 types of bacteria. According to a study in the Journal of Oral Microbiology, many older adults who skip tongue cleaning face recurring bad breath, tooth decay, and even heart valve issues linked to bacterial spread. Simple fix: use a tongue scraper each morning and night. Gently scrape from back to front 3 to 4 times, rinse thoroughly. This extra 30 seconds can revive your taste buds and safeguard your heart. Have you tried tongue scraping? Share your results. Neglected feet can develop fungal infections, poor circulation, and mobility issues. A 2019 CDC report found that foot-related infections are among the top 5 causes of hospitalization in seniors with diabetes. Proper routine: wash with warm water, not hot, thoroughly clean between toes, and dry completely. Apply a small amount of moisturizer on the soles, never between the toes, to avoid fungi. Inspect daily for cuts or discoloration. Do you check your feet daily for changes? Let us know. Your armpits house major lymph nodes that detox your body. Sweat, deodorant residue, and bacteria can block these pathways. Research from the American Lymphatic Association notes that older adults who improved underarm hygiene experienced fewer skin rashes and better energy levels. Tip: gently wash in circular motions, rinse thoroughly, and wait a moment before applying deodorant. Let your underarms breathe. Any underarm discomfort or rashes you've dealt with? Comment below. Aging often reduces nasal filtration capacity. Pollutants and allergens build up, causing sinus issues or worsened allergies. A 2020 study in the Journal of Geriatric ENT indicated seniors who rinse their nose regularly report better sleep and fewer colds. Gentle approach: use saline spray or neti pot daily. Blow one nostril at a time to avoid sinus pressure. Keep nasal passages slightly moist to prevent irritation. Have you tried a nasal rinse? Tell us how it helped, or not. Your navel is a tiny pocket that traps sweat, lint, and dead skin. The Journal of Elderly Dermatology once reported cases of bacterial or fungal infections starting from neglected belly buttons, especially in those with limited mobility. Clean daily with warm water and mild soap using a cotton swab, then pat dry. Avoid leaving moisture behind. This 30-second habit prevents odor and possible infections. Did you realize your belly button could cause infections? Surprised? Let us know. A 2018 clinical review documented multiple seniors hospitalized due to foot fungus spreading, or nasal congestion leading to severe sinusitis. Another case saw a 72-year-old with recurring heart issues traced back to untreated oral bacteria from an unclean tongue. These might sound extreme, but they underline how small hygiene gaps can escalate if overlooked, especially for seniors with weaker immunity. Have you heard any unfortunate stories linked to poor hygiene? Share below. We've covered the tongue, feet, armpits, nose, and belly button. Each requires just 1 to 2 extra minutes in your daily routine. Tongue, 30 seconds each morning and night. Feet, 2 minutes with proper washing and drying. Armpits, 1 minute of thorough cleaning. Nose, 1 minute rinsing or saline spray. Belly button, 30 seconds gentle wash. In total, under 10 minutes a day to prevent big health issues. Which of these spots did you realize you've been ignoring? Share with us. By adding just 5 to 10 minutes a day to clean these overlooked areas, tongue, feet, armpits, nose, and belly button, you significantly reduce infection risks, improve mobility, breath, and even heart health. Especially if you have diabetes or heart conditions, meticulous hygiene is paramount. Listen to your body. If you see redness, feel persistent pain, or notice unusual discharge, contact your healthcare provider. Early detection can spare you from painful complications. Which area do you plan to focus on first? Let us know. Who would have thought these hidden spots could impact your heart, lungs, or overall vitality? A few minutes each day may preserve your independence, reduce costly hospital visits, and keep you enjoying life well into your golden years. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might be skipping these areas. Remember, small habits lead to big health transformations at any age. Which tip did you find most surprising? Comment below before you go.